Your doctor originally told you that you were cancer-free, but now you've learned that you have cancer. And if your doctor had did some things earlier, you would have had a good chance of beating the cancer. Hello, I'm medical malpractice attorney Marcus Boston, and I would like to talk with you today about the 3 causes that lead to cancer misdiagnosis, with the first being a radiologist misreading a scan or x-ray. What can happen is that when a radiologist gets a test, they look the test over and they do not make the proper reading at that time. That information is then passed on to the doctor, and then the doctor tells the patient that everything is okay. But because of the radiologist's error, that information that the doctor tells the patient is not correct. The second way in which cancer is misdiagnosed is what we call handoff errors. Now, these types of errors can happen anywhere in the medical process, but a handoff error is generally one medical professional providing the wrong information to another medical professional. So let's go back to the radiologist. Let's say that the radiologist does find that there is cancer in the x-ray or the slide, but for some reason that information, the wrong information, is then passed on to the doctor. The doctor then again has erroneous information, and they pass that on to the patient, and the patient is misdiagnosed. And the third way is generally through the doctor not listening to the complaints of his or her patient, especially when the patient has a family history of breast cancer, lung cancer, or some other type of cancer. So why have I taken the time on this cold day to talk with you about all of this? Because you're on the internet right now. You have questions. You need help. You want to know whether your cancer misdiagnosis is medical malpractice. This is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you would prefer to send me an email initially, go ahead and send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer questions like yours all the time, and we would be glad to talk with you about your case. In addition to that, if you're watching this video right now on YouTube, take a quick moment to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By liking the video, what you do is you help other people who are on the internet just like you, trying to find the answers to the questions that they have. And in addition to that, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be alerted as soon as we upload helpful content just like what you're watching today. And if you're on the internet right now doing research for a friend, remember there are buttons below that you can use to share the video. Boston Law Group LLC is a Maryland medical malpractice law firm, helping those who have been the victim of medical malpractice throughout the state of Maryland. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at BLG, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and have a wonderful day.